today I will teach you percentage and its application exercise 9a. So what is the percentage? Here student, percent means 6%. It is 6 upon 100. Means 6% means 6 upon 100 per 100. Okay. The number per 100 is percentage. Okay. 20% means 20 upon 100. Okay. It is 20%. So now we will go in exercise 9a. Exercise 9a, question number 1. Fill in the blanks. 15% of 140 equal to dash. You have to fill. So we'll solve. 15% of 140. 15% means 15 upon 100 of means multiply, dear students. 140. Okay. 0 cancel. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2 7s are. It is 21. So it is 21. Here we will fill. Then third part. Which percent of 300 equal to 225? Let x percent of 300 equal to 225. So x upon 100, x percent means x upon 100 of means multiply equal to 225. 0 0 0 0 cancel. Then x into 3 equal to 225. X equal to 225 upon 3, 3 7 ja 21, 3 5 ja. It is 75%. Okay, dear students. Now, fifth part, 120 of dash equal to 60. Let 120% of x equal to 60. 120 upon 100 of means into x equal to 60. It is 0 0. Then x equal to 60 divisor 10. It will go that side, then will become multiplier. It is multiplier, will go that side, then will become divisor. 12 1s are 12, 12 5s are 60. It is 50. Okay. Then seventh part of this question number 1. 2 upon 3 of percent of dash equal to 30. Let 2 upon 3 percent of x equal to 30. 2 upon 3 upon 100 of into x equal to 30. 2 upon 3 into this. Okay. Into x equal to 30. X equal to 30 cross multiplication into 3 into 100 upon 2. 2 1s are 2, 5s are 10. It is 15 3s are 45 into 100, 45 100. Okay. Then 2 upon 3 percentage of 4500. Okay. Equal to 30. It is 50. Okay, dear students. Question number 2. Express each of the following fractions as a percentage. First part. So, dear student, when we will convert fraction into percentage, then we will multiply by 100. Okay. 4 upon 5 we will convert it into fraction, then multiply by 100%. Okay. 5 1s are 5 2s are. It is 24 are 80%. It is 80%. Okay. Then fourth part, 0.7 into 100 percent. Okay, then remove decimal upon 1 after decimal 10, then 1 cancel. It is now 7 times the 70%. Now one more part, the sixth part. To convert it into percentage, we multiply by 100. So dear student, I taught you, when we multiply decimal number by 10, 100 or 1000, 10,000, okay, then what we do, we adjust decimal. Okay, if we will multiply by 100, then decimal will go 1, 2 to the right side. Okay, and when we divide, then decimal will go in left side 2 digit. So 1, 2 is 12.8%. Okay, this is the answer. Question number 3. Express each of the following percentage as a fraction. So first, 10% we have to convert it into fraction. 10% means 10 upon 100. 0, 0 cancel. 1 upon 10. This is a fraction. Okay. Then 9. Fourth part, 9 whole 3 upon 8%. 8 9 is 72 plus 3 75. 8 9 is 72 plus 3 75 upon 8 percentage. Okay, percentage means upon 100 divided by 100. Okay, 23 25 3 is 75, 25 4 is 100. Now 3 upon 32. Okay, dear students. Question number 4. Find the value of 75% of 1200. This is the first part. 75 upon 100 into percentage means upon 100 of means multiply 1200. 0, 0 cancel. Okay. Now 75 into 12. 12 5 is 60. Carry 6. 12 7 is 84 90. Okay. Now third part, 166 whole 2 upon 3 of 3 meter. This 166 into 3 6 is 18, 3 6 is 18 19, 3 1 is 3, 3 6 is 18, 3 6 is 18 19, 3 1 is 3 4 2. This is 500 upon 3% of 3 meter. Percentage means upon 100 of means multiply. Okay, 0 0 0 0 cancel. 3 1 is 3. Now it is 5 meter. Okay, is the answer.